So, I'm Anna. I'm here today to speak about domestic violence that I've suffered from many years. I had a very abusive husband a long time ago. I was married with him 6 years. And there are children who had to see the abuse always. And I had to get out. I feared for my life. I was sure he was going to beat me to death. So I had to leave. But it took me 6 years. And when I think back, I should have left so much sooner. But I couldn't. It gets so bad that I finally put myself together and left. And I'm so happy that I did. Because I'm here today to tell you all, there is sun, there is light, there is love. It's not all about suffering. It's about survival. And I am a survivor. I come to Malta to recover. I come to Malta plenty of times every year. This time I have left my job actually just to be here because I love Malta. I love the Maltese people. And I want to help the Maltese women. They are strong women, as I am. They need to be loved. They need to be seen. They need to be respected for who they are.